Labels help you stay organized by adding colorful tags to a broadcast. To create a label, click the three-dot menu next to the broadcast of your choice. From there, give your label a name, choose a display color, and click Create. You can create unlimited labels. After you've created your labels, you can add, edit, or delete labels from the same three-dot menu. When you delete a label, it will remove the label from any broadcasts it's attached to. One of the primary benefits of our Labels feature is that you can easily filter labels to quickly find and manage broadcasts. If you need more help, visit our support site for a more detailed explanation of our Labels feature. Thanks for watching!